Hello students, Namaste. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine and study properly at your home. Today I will discuss with you the chapter 8, that is cell structure and functions. Okay, uh, let's start. Basically, the term cell it is comes from Latin word which is called cella. Okay, which is called cella. Cella means small room. Okay, and it is the basic structural, functional and biological unit of all known living organisms. Clear? So a cell is the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently. Okay, and cells are often called the building blocks of life. Clear? Now, discovery of the cell. Scientist Robert Hooke first discovered the cell in when 1665. Hooke saw honeycomb-like structure when he observed thin slices of cork under a microscope. Okay, and he noticed that each box was separated from the other by a partition or a wall. He was the one to name each of these boxes as cell. Here he found honeycomb-like structure in microscope like that. Okay, and he give the name of these boxes cell. Clear? What is cork? Cork is a part of bark of tree. Now, the cell are often referred to as bricks making up a building. Cells are complex living structures that can have a variety of shapes, sizes and functions. Now, organisms show variety in cell number, shape and size. To study cell, scientists use microscope to magnify them. They often use stains to color part of cells and study them in details. Now I am going to discuss with you about number of cells. Okay, 1 billion is equal to how many? 1000 million. Okay, and 1 trillion is equal to 1000 billion. There are billions and trillions of cells in a tall tree or a large animals. A human body also has a trillion of cells which have different shape, sizes and functions. Organisms can be of two types. One type is multicellular. Okay, and another one is unicellular. Okay, so what is multicellular? Multicellular organisms are made up of more than one cell. These are called multicellular organisms. For examples, mango trees and frog. Okay, and unicellular organisms are made up of a single cell. For examples, amoeba and paramecium, etc. Dear students, did you know multicellular organisms with billions of cells also start their life as a single cell? Okay, the fertilized egg, which is a single cell, multiplies to forms more cells as the organisms develops. Okay, and single celled organisms also perform all necessary life functions like multicellular organisms, including ingestions and digestions of food, respirations, excretion, reproduction and growth, etc. Okay, the only difference is that while a single cell performs all the functions in the unicellular organisms, and multicellular organisms have a specialized group of cells to perform different functions. Clear? The specialized cells form tissues, which is turned and form organs. Clear? Now I am going to discuss with you about the shape of cell. You can see in your textbook about amoeba. Okay, amoeba, which is a single-celled organism and it does not have a definite shape. Clear? And its shape keeps changing as it moves or feeds, and protruding parts of its body to form pseudo. Pseudo means false, and podia means feet. Okay. So these projects are known as, or projection-like structures are known as pseudopodia. Okay, and humans have millions of cells such as WBC and cells that forms nerves. Okay, their shapes vary according to their functions and their perform. Okay, and most cells are round, spherical, okay, or elongated. Clear? And some are spindle shaped, okay, which are long and pointed at both ends. Okay, nerve cells or neurons are quite long, okay, and are branched out to receive and transfer messages. You can see in your textbook, page number 94, figure 8.4. Okay, these are the shapes of cell. Clear? Now shapes of the cells are maintained by a covering, okay, which is called membrane or plasma membrane. And as you know that I think bacterial cell and plant cells have an additional rigid covering which is called cell wall. Okay, now I am going to discuss with you about size of the cell. Size of cell. The size of cells may vary from millionth of a meter, okay, known as a micron, to a few centimeter, but most of them cannot be seen with naked eyes. Okay, so we need microscope to see these microscopic cells. Okay, so the smallest cell is found in where? Smallest cell found in just 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer long in bacteria. Okay, and the largest cell is an ostrich egg, which has an area of about 17 centimeter into 13 centimeter. Okay, 17 centimeter into 13 centimeter. Dear students, it is not necessary that the size of cells of large animals such as an elephant will be larger than the cell of a smaller animals such as rat. Okay, the size of the cells depend on functions of its performs. Okay, examples: nerve cells of a rat and nerve cells of an elephant perform the same functions and hence are of the same size. Clear? Okay students, in my next class I will discuss with you the rest of part of this chapter, that is cell structures and functions, and also I will discuss with you about the components of cells. Okay, I hope you will understood all the things, and if you have any queries, okay, you can inform to me or contact with me